Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about sole proprietorship registration in India, the simplest and fastest way to start your own business. If you are an individual entrepreneur looking to take full control over your business, then this video is for you. What is a sole proprietorship? A sole proprietorship is a business owned, managed and run by one individual. It's ideal for small businesses and sole entrepreneurs who want full control over their operation. Key characteristics include single owner, you are the business, no legal distinction, business and personal finances are linked, unlimited liability, you are responsible for all debt, simple setup, quick and inexpensive to set up, advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: easy registration with minimal paperwork, full authority over business decision, income reported on your personal tax return, fewer regulatory requirements. Disadvantages: personal liabilities for all debt, limited ability to raise capital, lack of continuity if you stop operating. So while it is simple and flexible, it is important to understand. Here is how to register a sole proprietorship. Step 1. Choose a business name. Pick something unique that represents your own brand. Step 2. Check name availability. Ensure it's not registered in your state already. Step 3. Obtain necessary license. Depending on your business type and location, you may need permits like GST or shop establishment license. Step 4. Register your business name. If operating under a name other than your legal name, file a DBA, doing business as. Step 5. Get an EIN. Useful for taxes and opening a business bank account. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Keep your business and personal finances separate. Step 7. Maintain accurate records. Track income, expenses and invoices. Step 8. Stay compliant. Regularly renew licenses and check local regulations. Cost, timeline and validity. Cost varies states and licenses required like GST MSME. Timeline: usually 3 to 7 working days if documents are complete. Validity: no fixed period. Businesses will remain valid as long as licenses are active. At Diligence Certification, we are here to guide you from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more compliance tips. Thanks for watching.